sing for you, for you. Phone rings, my heart springs at you. It's you. Love grows, do you suppose? Time slows, maybe it's closing without you. You're not the days when you were a smile or two, and everything to do about you.
Song I had a bit of play on BBC Radio Wales last year. It was Song of the Week. I think it got played about 40 times in the 1 week, and then it kind of disappeared off the face of the world then. But it enabled me to buy my guitar here, which is pretty good. This is a song I wrote as a duet with the female singer singing the second part. But obviously, there's no girl here, so I'll do them both. This is called Goodbye. change your mind. Thank you. The next song, it's supposed to be used on a film with a DJ called Roy Noble in it. I've been waiting for the film to come out, but it hasn't come out yet. I think it might have been produced by a company that shares this building. It's called 50/50 anyway, the song is. This next song is called Don't Get Caught. told me you had gone, well I felt weak, I was numb. Then I thought of what you said, you let your heart read. They say you had the once before, you wanted less, you wanted more. Since then you got your heart back, and then I came, you got through. So don't get caught when your heart about to break. Don't be fooled, don't be misled. Don't get caught thinking everything's too late. Follow your heart and not your head. Hey, love is all you need. Or is it true? Did you see? You held it back until you knew. When it felt right, you'd see it through. You said the day that you leave will simply match like where you leave. Every time you start again, so let you go. When you're here, don't get caught with your heart about to break. Don't be fooled, don't be misled. Don't get caught thinking everything's too late. Follow your heart and not your head. Don't be fooled, don't be misled. Don't get caught thinking everything's too late. Follow your heart and not your head. Thank you. The next song is a song called Not Much Fun. It's for all the lone, lonely loners out there who are quite happy being a singleton. Here it goes. It's not much fun when you're eating up all meal for one. So under the sun, somebody had to go really under the sun, somebody had to go really spirit out on the way. I wanna live on these and grow. I can live out in life that I choose. Things to do, lounge around, watch TV and stay. Thank you. Hiya. This next song is called Easy Dreams. All these songs are on an album which I produced for a £5. If you want to take one, just take one and leave a £5.
Was it last that you really left till the tears came to your eyes? Remember the times when we danced all night and I just didn't mind. What about when we sang it out till our voice could stand alone? Think about when we chewed in the shower and we packed into the soul. Easy dreams are hard to find. It's a tough one to design. Many times I thought, can we watch you dream for? There was one thing you should do. I must have forgot you. Many times I thought, can we watch you dream?
In Southern California, in 1848, two gentlemen discovered gold. Within a year, there were 30,000 prospectors there trying to stake a claim. So I thought I'd write a song about two of those prospectors. This is called 49ers Revenge. before you go out looking for revenge and glory, there is something that you all should do. Hey! Go see the doctor. Go see the doctor. Thank you. Next song is a song I wrote about an incident that happened in my garden. But it was a little bird fell out of a nest and was being attacked by, I think they were 2 jays or something like that. So I ran out and tried to save the bird. Whether I did the right thing or not, I don't know, but I thought I'd write a song about it anyway. I put it back up in its nest, and a couple of days later there was just a few feathers in there. So anyway, this is the Bill Peter version of that song. It's got a little bird. out of the way. I did have a bit of interest from Rob Harris's guys for that song. See how that goes, I guess. This is a song called, which I wrote after I read a book called Canolfan. It's called One Trick Pony. To say how hard you keep everything will take you to the yard. Just one more stroke and be back will finally break. It's time to make a change, a gentle entity. Think that you want your pony, want you pony. Think that you want your pony, want you pony. Sure you can do no more. You got the locks upon your doors. You want to show them the things I know. You're not in that world, want you pony. Think that you want your pony, want you pony. Think that you want your pony, want you pony. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Horse can change your course, a man can change his life. Do all the fools daydream when there's no hope inside. A coward needs a horse, a man pursues a dream. Each one will strive to live the things that they can't see. Hey! Think that you want your pony, want your pony. Think that you want your pony, want your pony. Sure you can't do no more. Got the locks upon your doors. You want to show them that the things are going. Not in that world, I want you to go there. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Thank you. A couple more songs now. This is a song I wrote about a day trader who decides he's had enough of the wheeling and dealing and he'll go tramping across America. It's called Disappear. Streets are made of gold. Girl never felt so close, too stubborn to be told. Leave it all and go on home, for I have led the life. What I did for myself, and now my time has come to leave the streets behind. Now made of gold. God never felt so close. It's my last song now. Ben, just for this song, have it up a bit in the end. This is a bit lower. Okay, I'll do another. I'll do a brand new song. I haven't actually recorded this yet, so. She was about to call him home, but not making on his own. Hopes the child will guide him on. Don't be out the road alone. Lights the candle, holds it high. Prays that he might see the light. See the light that shines so bright. Let the love light be your guide. Love will save you, love can make you, love will guide you home. Hope deserts you and faith just hurts you, love will guide you home. Just one side, there's still wings out on the shore. Will she see him live on home? She prays and hopes and cries out still. All alone she waits until finally beholds his face. World is lost in their embrace. Love will save you, love can break you, love will guide you home. Hope deserts you and faith just hurts you, love will guide you home. Guide you home. It won't desert you, it just hurts you. It will guide you home.